Hi guys! Today I'm just going to be experimenting a bit, kind of doing an open cup pour, but really just playing around a little bit. To start, I'm laying down an ivory black base coat that's mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water. And all the colors and paint ratios are listed in the description box, so you'll be able to find all the details there if you're interested. Now that the base coat is down, it's time to get the open cup ready. This is actually just half a toilet roll that I'm using. All of the colors that I'm layering into the cup are mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water. Now I'm just going to tilt the canvas a bit to get the paint over some of the edges. I think I'm just going to tilt it over 2 of the corners. I'm using a heat gun a bit to see if I can encourage any cells to pop up. Well, this is an interesting result. I like these cells that popped up without any silicone oil. And the lacing on the edge of this one is really cool. I think the blue one is probably my favorite of the two. This one actually has a bit of an outer space look to it to me. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time.